Hi, I'm Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. Let's get started with today's Minden. Today we're making shepherd's pie, but with turkey. That's right, turkey, because we're using our Thanksgiving leftovers all month. Every Monday I bring you a new recipe teaching you how you can use your leftovers from this year's Thanksgiving. So what we're going to do first is I took leftover turkey breast and I put them in our Ninja, and it makes a nice pulverized turkey. There you go. Really easy. I just saved a little to show you how to do it. And I'm just going to put it all in a bowl. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of your leftover turkey gravy and just enough to moisten up the turkey so it binds together. And I can't tell you an exact amount because it's going to just depend on how much turkey you're using. This is about a pound, and let's just say we're going to go with 1/4 to 1/2 cup of gravy. Add a little bit more. And then also what will be nice is we're going to add a little bit of the cranberry sauce that you have left over. It's going to give it just a little bit of a sweet taste. You don't want to add too much because the more you add, the more calories you're going to add. This is already going to be a little higher in carbohydrates than some of my meals because we're going to add some of our leftover corn and top it with mashed potatoes, just like a traditional shepherd's pie. Okay, I would say that's about 2 tablespoons worth or so of cranberry sauce, and it's just going to give it a little bit of a sweetness, even a pretty color. There you go. You can find all our back recipes on my website, which is Minden's. Also catch us on my Instagram, which is Minden's. Subscribe, it's free. You just hit the little button right here. And you can find finished pictures of my product on Instagram. I'm trying to get you to kind of join all of the Minden's family. So now what we're going to do is you're going to take a deep dish. Now you can do this a few ways. You can put it in a pie tin and put it in the oven. You can make little individual ones. And today we're going to just put it on the stove top just to show you how easy it is. Spray a little bit of olive oil. You're going to start by taking your meat mixture and just making a layer on the bottom. Very easy. And then what you're going to do is you're going to top it with your corn and then finish it off with your mashed potatoes and just let it all heat up. Everything's already cooked. So depends on how long it takes to heat up. I would say about 10 minutes to heat up. And then I did about a cup of corn in there and then just top everything with mashed potatoes. Stay tuned. You'll have to watch our Instagram to see a finished picture of this product. And next week is our final week teaching you what you can do with your Thanksgiving leftovers. Thanks for joining us. I'll see you next week.